Welcome back to Metagrid. I'm Darkstar. So we're setting up to balance charge our second BYD battery pack. The first one went pretty well. Took 4 days, but it did balance all the cells. Now we're just waiting for the cells on the first pack to settle and see what voltage they settle at. I know a couple of them were dropping after I turned off the power a bit quicker than the others, so we'll see. I think that'll give us a pretty good indication of how good a quality these packs are. So this is pack number 2. This is the second best pack that I received with an initial voltage of 25.8 volts. So I just wanted to walk you through how I set up this ISDT Q8 smart charger to balance charge these BYD packs. So first of all, we have a Meanwell power supply. I got this off of eBay. It was, I don't know, $29 or so. And we just have DC output here and AC input here. It was pretty easy to wire up. So the DC output rather, from the power supply goes into the DC input of the ISDT balance charger. This is an XT60 connector that I got off of Amazon. These are Anderson power pole connectors, which I really like. This is a adapter slash interface to the BYD packs balance slash monitor harness. So those wires go to the positives and negatives of the cells to monitor. I got this adapter from Tech Direct Club. I believe that was $29 with a cable. The cable is an 8-conductor cable, and I spliced into it with one of these ISDT specific connectors. Unfortunately, the 8-conductor cable only had conductors for the positives of all the cell leads, and I had to take the negative input that is required on the ISDT smart charger and just connect it directly to the positive of the battery. This wire goes up here and is riveted to the negative terminal. I've got battery clamps on the negative and the positive terminals. Those come from this XT60 connector through Anderson power pole connector, and then around and to the positive and negative poles of the battery pack. And of course that's the DC output, charging output of the ISDT Q8 smart charger. It seems like this does the bulk charging, so what this will do is bring the whole pack voltage up fairly quickly. And then once the first cell reaches the specified balance level, the amperage on this bulk charge will cut way down, and then it'll just concentrate on individual cells and bring those up to the cell level of the first cell that was able to reach the preset balance charge level. I'm going to set this at 3.6 volts per cell. So let's see here. So we've got lithium iron already set to 3.6 volts, 8S cells, 19 amps current. There you go, and then just hit the circle button there to start the charging. So I'm going to hit that and let it go. And there she goes. The amps are ramping up, as you can see. Let me focus that. And there are the cell levels. And away it goes. All right, this is Darkstar signing off.